We were tasked with bringing up every single van builder and showing everybody's different options, everything that they had, and it got weeded down to 5 different companies. And Chris's wife, Morgan, she had kind of honed in on tour rig, and there were specific things that she liked about what you all did over other companies. And so that was the initial turn of why we ended up using you guys for the very first time. I had to learn everything about the bumpers, and Evan was the one who taught me how to do all that. So we physically visited people day in and day out with the grassroots. We went in, we started talking to Paul, and then after we started talking to Paul, basically he had everybody stop everything. Eric was out of town, and he brought everybody out to the van, and we physically got to do a sales pitch and explain all of our products, the differences, why you would use the rear bumper over our competitors because you don't have to get rid of your tow package. It integrates in specifically with Mercedes, and small things like that. And so being able to have everybody at one time, that was like a really good starting point for us, because of all the other stops that you make, you know, I mean, even though they're happy to see you, it's still a cold call at the end of the day. So as time has gone on, relationship with Eric and Paul and then so many other team members have gotten so strong. It's kind of cool because y'all have new products that you're working on, so we've been able to be part of some of those new products, and then with the existing products, y'all are still offering some of those existing products, so there's a really good partnership there. During COVID, we made a huge change. So instead of focusing on trying to make everything for everyone, we really decided to really double down into the overlanding market. So by doing that, that allowed us to cut about 65 SKUs and made us really hone in on the vans. One thing that we've really focused in on is having a hybrid system, especially on our front bumpers. Those are going to be a steel shackle mount area, and then you're also going to have that is your winch cradle, and then you also have your shell and the exterior shell. The entire thing is going to be aluminum. Outside of that, the biggest thing is going to be inventory in stock. So a lot of our competitors are stuck with longer lead times, and so what we've done is we've tried to be more consistent on having it in stock or able to ship within 2 weeks. And I think that's one of the things that really sets us apart in the market today. Right now, we're literally in the middle of a 30,000 square foot expansion. It will open up tons of opportunity for production. We're already running a really tight situation as far as being able to get the product in and get it out really quickly. But I think with more space, having that, it's going to really open up a lot more avenues. We've also had an opportunity to get vans from y'all. I've driven a tour rig. I drove one for 2.5 years. I'm familiar with y'all's company, and it's just a very good yin and yang a lot of times. But as far as the community, for us, we want it to be more of an experience of not just somebody calling to order something. We want them to know that like their business is super important, because without them, we don't have our facility, we don't have the people out here that are able to cut the stuff, build the stuff, bend the stuff, everything that goes along with it. So, I mean, it's a partnership at the end of the day.